Have you ever wondered how AI works? Like, how does your phone know what you want to type next? Or how does YouTube guess what video you love? Let's break it down. AI means artificial intelligence, basically super smart computers that can learn and make decisions. No, they don't have brains. How AI learns? Imagine you show a kid 100 pictures of cats. Eventually they go, "Oh, that's a cat!" AI does the same thing but way faster, scanning thousands, even millions of pictures. This is called machine learning. For the more info it gets, the smarter it becomes. AI in your life. AI is everywhere, like your phone guessing what your next work, or video game enemies that get smarter, or filters that make your selfies look amazing, or self-driving cars that know when to stop. It's like magic, but actually just smart technology. Will AI take over? Some people think AI will take over the world. It won't. AI can't think like humans, it's just following patterns, so no killer robots for now. AI versus real creativity. Can AI be creative? Sort of. It can paint pictures, write songs, and even tell stories. But here's the catch. It learns from what humans already made. So it's truly creative or just a super fast copycat? Let me know in the comments. What do you think? So next time AI suggests your next favorite video, you know it's all about data and learning. Cool, right? If you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more fun stuff. See ya!